Welcome to Innsbruck, Austria, a breathtaking city surrounded by the majestic Alps. If you're planning a visit, choosing the right hotel can make all the difference. Today, let's explore Adlers Hotel Innsbruck, a top choice for travelers seeking luxury, comfort, and stunning views. Located in the heart of the city, Adlers Hotel is the tallest hotel in Innsbruck, offering spectacular panoramic views. This stylish four-star hotel blends modern design with warm hospitality, making it a favorite among visitors. Rooms at Adlers Hotel are spacious, elegantly designed, and equipped with floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing guests to wake up to breathtaking mountain scenery. The hotel also features a rooftop bar and restaurant, a wellness area, and easy access to Innsbruck's main attractions. Compared to other hotels in Innsbruck, such as Hotel Innsbruck and the Pens Hotel, Adlers stands out for its unparalleled views and modern ambiance. While Hotel Innsbruck offers a more traditional Alpine style, and the Pens is known for its stylish rooftop breakfast, Adlers perfectly balances luxury, comfort, and convenience. So, if you're looking for a hotel that offers stunning views, great service, and a prime location, Adlers Hotel is the perfect choice. Book your stay and experience Innsbruck like never before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. See you in the next video.